feel like we're getting closer to the stars out here, Ngeru.
I feel like we're getting further from the beach, Kiwi.
Kia kaha. Be brave, like Koope.
Koope?
He's only the greatest explorer, adventurer and navigator ever. Just be brave, and maybe we'll get some ika for our party.
I do like fish.
Yeah, you do. If only we could find some. Maybe the Matariki stars can help us catch kai moana somehow.
Whoa, Kiwi! I think the tide has swept us out to sea.
Pai noa, iho. We'll just paddle back to shore.
Oh, yeah. Oops. Sorry.
It's okay, Ngeru. You can borrow mine. Oh, oops. Aroha mai.
How long have we been drifting out to sea?
Not long.
Oh, we're gonna be stuck out here forever. Oh no. What if we end up in Australia?
Nah. Someone will help us before that happens.
Way out here, in the middle of the ocean?
Yora. Hey, do you guys need some help? Way out here in the middle of the moana?
Ai koa.
Ko Moko ahai. My real name is Mokotahi, but my mates call me Moko.
Kia ora, Moko. Ko Kiwi ahai. And this is Ngeru. Someone accidentally lost our paddles.
It's not important who.
You couldn't help us get back to shore, could you?
For sure. We're all friends in the moana.
Whoa!
Now that is cool.
We accidentally got lost on our Matariki adventure.
Again.
Those stars are pretty awesome. You know, when the Waitā star sits just above the horizon, it has significant influence over the tides.
Waitā.
That must have been what pulled us out to sea.
The Waitā star reminds us to preserve, protect, and respect the moana and those who live in it.
I love all the animals in the ocean, particularly flying fish. Ah, they're delicious. If only I could find some.
Many of us live in the moana, and we all have a special place. Take one species away and the entire ecosystem falls apart.
And the Waitā whetū reminds us to respect and care for all of them. Like dolphins.
Yes.
And kahawai?
Yes.
And hapuka.
Yes.
And...
Are you guys going to list all of the fish you know?
Oh, well, not anymore.
Why don't you stay quiet and I'll tell you a story while we head into shore.
Yes, please. We're crazy about stories.
As long as they're not scary.
Nah. Unless you find a giant octopus scary.
Nope.
Once upon a time, in the land of our ancestors, Hawaii, lived a rangatira named Koope.
I was just talking about him.
He was a great fisherman, but lately, fish had been tapu. You see, Koope's competitor, Maturangi, had secretly sent a great wheke, a ginormous octopus, to steal all Koope's fish.
Not cool.
So, he decided to chase the wheke down. Koope built a huge waka, gathered his friends and whānau, and set out on an adventure to capture the wheke.
We love adventures.
A great battle ensued. Koope was strong and brave and fast, but the wheke had 8 arms. Koope never gave up and chased te wheke all the way to Aotearoa.
That's where I live.
Same!
Same. And that's how Koope discovered Aotearoa.
Cool story, Moko.
Oh, but I'm glad it's over. That octopus was a little bit scary.
Would you like to come to our matariki party? We're gathering all our friends together to celebrate the new year.
Oh, I'd love to.
We were going to serve kai moana, but we couldn't catch any. Wow! Ngā mihi, Moko!
Ka kite.
That was one cool dolphin.
Yeah, dolphins rule.